Hello everyone, welcome in your social science class. As you know that we are reading chapter Nazism and the rise of Hitler, a very important and interesting chapter of history. In the previous lecture we have already discussed about the Nazism in Germany, okay, and we have already discussed about the youth in Nazi Germany, Hitler policies in Nazi. Today we are going to discuss about the ordinary people and the crime against humanity. As you know that we have discussed about the Nazis policy in Germany, okay, how Nazi party discriminate the people who belong to Jew community, Gypsy and other black colored people. Okay, there were total act of regarding inhuman act and inhuman practices, lot of discrimination against Jews were discriminate, and today we will discuss how they were discriminate. How did the common people react to Nazism when the Nazi party or Hitler discriminate the people who belong to Jews, Gypsies and other colored people. Okay, even in the schools the children were also taught differently. Only the children who belong to Nordic Aryan German, they were allowed to take the lessons in school. Okay, Jews were thrown out from the school, and in the childhood the children were taught about the policies of Nazi. They became the followers of Nazism, and they were taught hate regarding Jews. How did the common people react to Nazism? Many saw, you in the picture you can see how the Jews were published by media. Okay, they were considered that they were not having good personality, and many saw the world through the Nazi eyes and spoke their mind Nazi language. As you know that Nazi policies were taught in the school, and people saw the world through the eyes of Nazi. What Nazi wanted, they spoke, and the Nazis started controlling the mind of the people. Even then people spoke what the Nazi want. Overall we can say that what the Nazi want, people also want the same thing what the Nazi want, and people also started speaking the same word that was spoken by the Nazi. Overall Nazi party or Nazism control the eyes and the mind and the language of the people. Okay, they felt hatred and anger inside them when they saw someone who looked like a Jew. Okay, when the common German people or Aryan or Nordic German people saw any person, okay, any person, even if they were not belong to Jews or Gypsies, okay, and the person by physical appearance, the person is looking like as a Jew, as the physical appearance was given by the German media. As you can see in the picture, if the person same look like the Jews, actually whether he belong to Jew or not, just he is looking like a Jew, they mark the houses. Okay, they start hating that person who just look like a Jew. Even then the marked house of the Jews, if they found that on the base of just suspicious. Okay, normal people, if they found that in nearby or in their neighborhood, if any person is living, if they suspected that the person is Jew, then they report against that person, okay, to the Nazi party. Generally they believed that common people or German Aryans believed that only Nazi would bring prosperity, and only by following Nazism their country can be progress, their country could be progress. So they want that there should be Nazi followers and Nazi party should be in Germany. But not even every German was a Nazi. Okay, what about the non-Nazi? Okay, earlier we were talking about that every person want that there should be a Nazism in the Germany. Okay, and people started following the policies of Nazi. But what happened with the non-Nazis? Okay, but not every German was a Nazi. Every person, we can't say that every person at that time every person was Nazi. More organized active resistant of to Nazism, braving police repression and death. What would happen? Okay, if a person is not following, if person that time we are talking about the Hitler time. Okay, if any person did not follow द पॉलिसीज़ ऑफ नाजीज़म, अगर कोई पर्सन ऐसा था कि जो नाजी को फॉलो नहीं करता था, तो क्या होता था उसके तहत? मैनी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एक्टिव रेसिस्टेंट टू नाजीज़म. ओके, देन द पर्सन who try to try to speak against Nazism, that person was captured by the police. And then what would happen? ओके, आफ्टर अगर पुलिस उसको सेंटेंस्ड कर देती है, देन आफ्टर क्या होता था? देन अल्टीमेटली डेथ. द लार्ज मेजॉरिटी ऑफ जर्मन्स हाउएवर वर पैसिव ऑन लुकर. ओके, जब भी जर्मनी में नाजी जो थे टॉर्चर करते लोगों को एंड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन was that time, then nobody tried to against the policies of Nazi. Just people saw passively. Okay, and apathic witness silently they saw what is happening. they were too scared. वो इतने डर गए थे that they didn't want to oppose or start oppose that Nazism. Okay, they preferred to look away. Only one person we will talk about, that person, Pastor Niemöller, a resistant fighter. He was also a resistant fighter, observed what was happening in the Germany, and silently he saw everything. In his poem he wrote about this silence. Okay, first they come, who are they here? He is talking about that time. He was talking about they. Who are they here? They here means Nazi party. Okay, followers of Nazism. First they come for the communist. Okay, well, I was not a communist, so I said nothing. He wrote that when they come for communist, I said nothing because I was a not communist. Okay, when जब नाजी जो पार्टी थे, फॉलोवर थे, जब नाजी का वो टॉर्चर कर रहे थे, डिस्क्रिमिनेट कर रहे थे कम्युनिस्ट फॉलोवर्स को, देन आई सेड नथिंग. आई सा जस्ट साइलेंटली. ओके, passive, I became passive looker. I said nothing because I was not a communist. Then they come for the social democrats. You know very well that Hitler was a great opposer of communist and social democrats. Then they come for social democrats. I saw everything passively. I said nothing because I was not a social democrat. मैं तब भी चुपचाप देखता रहा क्योंकि मैं एक सोशल डेमोक्रेट नहीं था. Then they come for the trade unions. Then I was not a trade unionist, so I said nothing. Then they come for the Jews. When they come for the Jew, then I said a little because I was not a Jew. Okay, the topic that the torture or discrimination was not belong to me. Okay, I was not a communist, I was not a social democratic, I was not belong to trader union, and I was not a Jew. That's why I said nothing. I became the passive onlooker. Okay, apathic witness. I saw silently everything. But at the time come when they come for me, then what happened? No one was left who could stand for me. Okay, when they come for me, nobody left, okay, who can speak in favor of me. Okay, nobody left. It shows that nobody want to resist, nobody want to favor the people who were that time oppressed and who that person who were oppressed by Nazism. Got it? And the another we will discuss about, you can see the picture of pastor. Pastor means pujari, priest. Okay, Niemöller. And the next we will discuss about the Charlotte Barrett. When Jews felt in Nazi, and a different story altogether. There are a different stories regarding the Jews. Another writer of Germany, Charlotte, secretly recorded the people dream in her diary. Okay, what the people was dreaming that time, she wrote in her diary, and later it was published in her book. That book was, the name of the book is Third Reich of Dream. In his book, she described how the Jews themselves began believing in Nazi stereotype about them. Okay, they starting hating themselves, and they starting that they are inferior and the Nazi are superior from them. What they dreamed themselves, because in movie, in media, in slogans, they were described that they are having black hair, okay, big nose and black eyes. Okay, they are not attractive, they were not attractive, they were not having good personality. In the picture you can see, okay, that they are not having a good personality, hook like nose, black color, black eyes. Such type of pictures were published by the media. So people starting imagine that people, especially which people, that people we are talking about here, Jews. Okay, Jews starting themselves dreaming that they are having hook nosed, black color hair and black eyes. Okay, and the stereotypical images published in Nazi press haunted the Jews. Okay, as I have told that stereotype pictures were published by media. Okay, and this started haunted the Nazi everywhere. Everywhere they saw this, they were downtrodden, and it considered these all picture considered trouble for them. Even in their dreams they starting to see that they are not beautiful, they are having hook nosed, black color hair. Okay, and this shows that Jews died many deaths even they reached the gas chamber. Ultimately, the final solution of the Jews were they were sent to gas chamber, and then poisonous gas was released in the gas chamber, as you can say that artificially they just look like that gas chamber infection area, the infection area, disinfection area, and that just look like as a bathroom, and a fake shower was there. Okay, and this show that here people will be disinfected, but actually from the showers a poisonous gas was released, and that what happened after that all the people जो Jews people थे उनको वहाँ पर मार दिया जाता था. But when they were alive, जब वो जिंदा थे, they were tortured, discriminate, and by showing the pictures, slogans, as they were shown that they are having the hook nose, black hair, black eyes, they are very ugly. Okay, and this time जो उनको पिक्चर्स में दिखाया जाता था, जो नाजी कम्युनिटी, नाजी पार्टी के द्वारा फिल्मों में दिखाया जाता था, दिस शो दैट दे स्टार्ट हॉन्टिंग एवरी पर्सन, एवरी जो जू पर्सन था वो समाज में उसको अच्छी नज़र से देखा ही नहीं जाता था. ठीक है, दैट्स वाई कि उनको जिंदा होते हुए भी कई मौत की ज़िंदगी जीना पड़ता था, कई मौतों से गुजरना पड़ता था. इट मीन्स जब वो अलाइव थे तब भी उनको अच्छा बिहेव सोसाइटी में उनके साथ नहीं किया जाता था. So student, we have discussed about the ordinary people and the crime against humanity, and that practice was against, okay, that practice was against humanity, and inhuman practices were that time. How we discuss about how Jews were discriminated by Nazism, and inhuman practices were that time. Okay, so read the lesson very nicely. Thank you. Have a nice day.